Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another one stop watch video. So you guys, I decided to come out and record before it starts snowing again, and I took my first son out with me, and look at him, he is just having a blast. Video is going to be quick. I said, you know what, the least I can do is show my first son, right? And don't he look so cute in his sweater? Aww. You guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps my channel, and give it a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell because I have videos out, especially in my DIY section. I just recently posted showing you how to get soft moisturized lips. Okay, all right you guys, let's get into this garlic, and looks good so far. I need to refresh on when I should harvest the garlic because I don't know if it's done. But if you know, please leave a comment down below. Alright you guys, let's move on to the mint, and so far so good. Hopefully the leaves do come back when the spring and summer comes. Alright, now I'm going to just show you the kale that I have, and because there's really nothing else to show in the garden, so I was like, you know what, at least let me show you what is still sticking around. Because you know some of the stuff it sticks. I know I'm corny, but yep, but this is really it you guys for the kale. And then I'm going to also show you the cauliflower that is still there, and it's really gone at this point, but I'm just still showing it because it's still there. Well, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.